How to fix TikTok direct message option not showing easily and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager like this. Now after you open the apps manager, go to the apps. Now you have to wait a few seconds, it will start loading the apps that you have on your phone. After that, you have to scroll until you find TikTok app. When you find it, you have to click on it like this and then click on this option. It's called force stop. And then go to the storage, wait a few seconds, it will start computing the data number and then click on clear cache, clear data, and then go back, click on the power usage details and click down here on force stop. After that, you have to open the Play Store and search for TikTok like this. Let's search TikTok and then update it from here by clicking on this option. Don't forget to like, subscribe.